Somewhere beneath this glowing pool of water, there is enough heat to bury most of a continent in ash. And above it, completely unbothered, our entire galaxy arches overhead, like it has no idea. That color isn't a filter or an edit. The water here runs somewhere between 160 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And the thing making it glow, that electric teal to orange, isn't the spring itself. It's alive. Mats of heat-loving bacteria coat the edges and floor, each species claiming a temperature band, each one a different pigment. The pool is only about 10 meters across, but it's essentially a living color wheel, sorted by how much heat each organism can survive. Look at all that steam rolling off the surface and climbing toward the upper right of the frame. That moisture isn't coming from the sun warming a pond. It's coming from magma. Directly below Yellowstone sits one of the largest volcanic systems on Earth, a hotspot that has erupted in supervolcanic events at least 3 times. The most recent one, about 640,000 years ago, left a crater the size of Rhode Island and covered half the continent in ash. The steam you're watching drift upward right now is the exhale of that same engine, still running. And then up here, the arch. That band of light spanning the whole sky is our own Milky Way galaxy, seen edge-on from inside it. Every smudge and streak up there is billions of stars, and the warm golden core glowing across the right side is the densest part, the center of the galaxy, roughly 26,000 light-years away. Photographer David Lane stitched together 16 separate exposures in 2014 to capture this. The bacteria in that pool, the magma below it, and the 100 billion stars above it, all in one frame, all at the same moment. There's something quietly strange about this image. The spring is 10 meters wide. The magma chamber below it is tens of kilometers across. The galaxy above is 100,000 light-years wide, and somehow one camera, on one night, held all 3 at once. What does it mean that the bacteria in that pool and the stars in that arch are made of the same basic ingredients, and one of them has no idea? We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the lens finds next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.